Aloha mai kākou. I'm Mele, coming to you from Kahalehoaka at Molokai. I began my career as a kumu in early keiki education at Punana Leo in an immersion classroom. That's why we created Papa Hāpuʻu. Our Kahalehoaka team has worked so hard to create an easy-to-use and really fun curriculum called Papa Hāpuʻu that focuses on literacy skills. You begin each Papa Hāpuʻu lesson by watching the Helu Helu and Mele video, which is a digitized book, and we have them in bilingual versions. So we have the ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi version and the English version. Following each read aloud in our Helu Helu and Mele, you're also taught a song, a mele, and provided a song sheet. So these mele are tied into the content or the topic of the puke, the book that we read together. We also provide discussion questions, or na ninau, lina poi poi, questions that you can use at circle time. And it just kind of guides the understanding and comprehension of the puke that was read to them. We also provide a worksheet, which makes the comprehension or literacy skills even stronger. We look at different types of concepts of literacy, such as character, setting, sequencing a story. It's just beginning literacy skills. So we're focusing at discussion time on the oral storytelling skills of our keiki, which is the first phase of literacy, and then we move into having them write and draw and label. Now, if your keiki is a beginning writer, you can simply take a highlighter and write the words for them in, that bright yellow highlighter ink, and they can trace over it to work on their penmanship. So you can work at whatever level your keiki is, but I hope Papa Hāpuʻu can help you in whatever way that you need to fill in those spaces, to encourage literacy in all of our keiki, all of our home, and all of our families. Ahui ho, malama pono.